Look, Capel Manor College is not for everyone, but it is for students leaving school looking for a supportive environment and interesting courses.
Capel Manor College is
A very welcoming environment.
It's really inclusive.
Really supportive. It's very inclusive and it's very diverse.
It's open for all kinds of students.
Everyone just interacts with everyone.
I felt very welcomed when I first started here.
One of my favourite things about Capel Manor College is
the people, because they're really friendly and everyone has the same mindset.
Tutors, because of how engaged they make us and how interesting they make the lesson.
the support you get from all the teachers and tutors here.
Probably everything. The environment's good and the people are lovely.
The teachers here really respect us as young adults.
As tutors, we really prioritise the well-being of our students so that they are feeling good in themselves and so that they can progress in life.
My favourite thing about my course is how hands-on it is.
I came to Capel because I wanted to do more practical work.
It gets you to work with not only other students, but like other groups and other classes.
Students choose Capel Manor as an alternative to sixth form because it's hands-on learning. You're getting to work with these amazing plants and animals.
So come check us out, get in touch, or look us up at
Capel
capel.ac.uk.